Konnichiwa, I'm John Hornick. Welcome to my Japanese Faves series where we'll cover every major type of Japanese food. Tako means octopus and yaki means cooked or grilled. Takoyaki are grilled octopus-filled dough balls, which are a very popular street food in Osaka, Japan. You can watch my video called Takoyaki Being Made in Osaka to see this street food being made at an outdoor market. Takoyaki are made on griddles with semi-spherical chambers or holes. This video shows you how to make takoyaki in your own kitchen. I'm using an ebelskiver pan, which is for making Danish grilled dough balls, which are usually sweet. The ebelskiver pan's semi-spherical chambers or holes are also good for making takoyaki. I've also seen various takoyaki griddles online. So let's start cooking.
Now we're going to make the batter for the takoyaki. I already have the flour here in a bowl. I'm adding the baking powder and the salt, and we're going to whisk those together real well. Okay, now we're going to whisk in the eggs. And the dashi. And the sake. Okay, that looks like it's well mixed. I don't see any lumps from the flour. Okay, now we're going to make the takoyaki. This is an ebelskiver pan, which is used to make a particular dish in Denmark, I think. But we're going to use it to make ebelskiver. So tonight, I'm sorry, we're going to use it to make takoyaki. So tonight, it's a takoyaki pan. And we put the heat on underneath this pan. We're going to want to get it hot. And we are going to oil each one of these chambers, okay? And we want to get a generous amount of oil in there, okay? Generous amount of oil. And we're going to brush the top as well. And we're going to let that get to the point where it is starting to smoke. Okay, now I've transferred the batter into a container that I can pour from, okay? And I'm just going to do a couple for the camera, okay? We're pouring it up to the top so that they overflow a little bit when I add the other ingredients. So first we're going to add a few pieces of taco, that's octopus, okay? Then we want to add some of the tempura bits. And then the scallions. Now we're going to let those cook a bit until they start to set on the bottom. All right, now what we want to do is try to roll them about a quarter of a turn, okay? They're not going to look perfect at first. Okay, about a quarter of a turn. And I'm going to just brush a little bit more oil there. Okay, and what we want to do is try to push that extra batter down into the holes, okay? Ooh, let's use something longer, okay? I've seen this done in Japan. I have a video of this being made, these being made on the street in Japan, and the guys use these short little skewers. I don't know how their fingers can stand it. I'm actually using the utensils that come with the ebelskiver pan. They're kind of curved to go down into there. Now we're going to let that cook just a little bit. Okay, then we're going to try to roll them some more. And I'm just going to brush them a little bit more with oil to add a little bit more batter. Pour down around them, okay? And we're going to keep turning them until we have a nice ball. Push that extra batter that's around the edges down into the pan. I'm going to turn down my heat just a little bit. Keep turning. Okay, these are almost ready to plate up. We have nice takoyaki balls. Nice and golden. Okay, I've plated up the 3 takoyaki, and now what we're going to do is give them a little bit of Kewpie mayonnaise. And a little bit of takoyaki sauce. Garnish with some nori strips. And some shaved bonito flakes. So there we have it. Takoyaki, famous street food from Osaka. You can see photos of the final dish at my Instagram, which is @Chef's Apprentice, Cook Like a Pro. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.